Hi everyone! If you want to play YouTube in the background on your Redmi 17C, this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'll show you step by step how to play YouTube in background on Redmi 17C and how to keep videos or music running while using other apps. This feature is very useful if you want to listen to music, podcasts, interviews, or videos without keeping YouTube open on your screen. Many Redmi users don't know that there are built-in settings and simple tricks that allow background playback on the phone.